This question is asking us why reproduction is essential for organisms and why it is important. So, first we'll see what reproduction is. Reproduction is formation of offsprings from their parents. Now, let me list out major important points regarding significance of reproduction. The very first point will be regulation of birth and death rate. Now, what does birth rate mean? Birth rate means the rate at which the individuals are born in the population, and death rate means the rate at which the individuals die in the population. Now, birth and death rate are always in equilibrium because they have to keep the population stable. Now, we'll move on to the next point. To maintain particular species in the population. Now, why does this happen? Because if there's no reproduction, there will be no new organisms formed. And if there's no new organisms formed, this particular species can go extinct. And we do not want that. Therefore, reproduction is essential to maintain species in the population. Next point is gene transmission from parents from one generation to other. Say, if we talk about only one generation, we can say parents will transmit their genes to their children or their offspring, but it can be also seen in different generations. For example, parents will transfer it to their children, and children will transfer it to their children. So it becomes like a whole thing in the whole population. So that is seen, and it eventually leads to evolution, which is the next point. Now, what evolution is basically modification of genes over a period of time to fit the environment better. Now, as I said, genetic component will get modified, right, which will eventually lead to evolution. That's what that point is. Now, the very last point is the product of evolution, which is variation in species due to different environments. Of reproduction leads to different species, that is variation in species having different types of characters and variation in their characters according to the environment. That means they have to fit the environment, right? That's why they get modified. That's it for this question. I hope you guys understood. Thank you.